Yo everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very clear and honest review about this AI website called Wiz. Wiz is a cloud security superhero you've been looking for in 2025. So let's get started with a quick review. So what is Wiz? Wiz is a product that help a company protect all its stuff in the cloud. Think of it like a super smart card for everything your teams put online. It's a service that look at your cloud setup and find any weak spots before bad guys can. Which can also help you change how you do cybersecurity because it makes finding problem much faster. They offer a way to see everything across your cloud in one place. This helps them patronize what to fix some things first and also can provide the best service in their customers and keep their information safe. Now, talking about the top benefit of the Wiz AI, it improves your visibility across cloud environment. It also create a landing. It also create a landing with an innovation in cloud security platform. Just identify risk in complex infrastructure together with also enable the collaboration between security and development team. And talking about the best features about this platform, it has a wide range of features which makes this more super easy. For example, come with a cloud security posture management with a container and a Kubernetes security, which helps you organize and stay aware about some software in the cloud. And also state the infrastructure has a code scanning. So sometimes people use code to set up their cloud infrastructure. These features actually help you look at code before it even used. I'm talking about another feature that also comes with a infrastructure entitlement management. So talking about the pricing plan, which has a custom pricing plan for everyone. You just need to contact them for details about the pricing plan, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this here website. Thank you.